Good morning, baby. Yeah. Sorry I woke you up. I hate being sick. The worst part is always the morning cough. I'm surprised you haven't gone to sleep on the couch by now. You love me enough to not do that. I greatly appreciate that. But what about you? Baby, I don't want to get you sick. I know it's a lot, taking care of me and making sure I'm all right, but you should take care of yourself as well. I don't want you getting sick. That means both of us are here in bed, miserable mess, coughing. It just breaks my heart, you know? Yeah, I know, baby. I know. Everything hurts. My throat, my head. My throat's raw on fire. This cough is so horrendous. Ugh. I think I might go make tea and... Hey! Look, just because I'm sick, it doesn't mean that... That took a turn for the worst. You like it, huh? You like it when my cough gets out of control and I start barking. Alright, here I go again. Actually, fine. I'll stay here and you go make the tea. Ugh. Stupid cough. I just hope my morning cough doesn't wake anybody up. This is not a good morning. Not at all. You're finally back with the tea, hmm? That's good news. I'm losing my voice from coughing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I think I should go to the couch so I don't bother you. Me all honking and barking and wheezing. I don't want you to be sick of me being sick. Thank you, dear. I appreciate you. You mean everything to me, babe. Sure, you can use my chest as a pillow, but I warn you, my cough is very loud and my chest likes to shake when I start barking. I know you felt that vibration. Well, I'm sorry again if my bad yet hot morning cough woke you up. I really am. Fine, I'll stop apologizing. I know we're all humans and we're allowed to get sick and we're allowed to cough. I just don't. Didn't want to wake you up. Well, okay. Thank you. I guess I'll keep trying to sleep. Now that the medicine and the tea is kicking in. I feel like we'll be just fine. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bless me indeed. Thank you. Thanks. I love you.